of 2016, 11 wonderful ladies sojourned through time on an adventure involving love, heartbreak, dancing, nostalgia, and validation. It all began at the party of the year, the annual Nightingale, full of beautiful dresses and an even better open bar. Guests spent hours preparing for the gala, but Liza in particular decided her best preparation was a beauty nap. She ended up having a strange yet everlasting dream.
Sleeping for 40 days and yeah, I know I'm sleeping 'cause this dream's too amazing. She got gold doorknobs where her eyes used to be, yeah. One turn and I learned what it really means to see, yeah. Oh. Sleeping for 60 days and nobody better pinch me, bitch, I swear I'll go crazy. She got jumper cable lips, she got sunset on her breath. Now I inhale just a little bit, now I ain't got no fear of death now. Oh. It's the magical mystery kind. Oh, must be alive. Bye bye to the too good to be true kind of love. Oh, I could die. Oh, now I could die. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh,